the easiest install ever. It says installs in minutes without any tools. So let's see how this thing actually works. What we're supposed to do is turn off the water and then flush the toilet. So there's still water left in the bottom. Bucket, and a sponge, and we're just going to sponge out the water. I'm going to be replacing this also. So, there. Taking out this flap right here. Just comes off like that. So we're going to be unscrewing this. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Yeah, a little bit of water's coming out. Unscrew this now. Just come out like that. Alright, so this just slides down on that. How easy is that, huh? So push that in, releases, and then put this back on. Now we just push that. There. Yep. And then we're going to screw this one on the bottom. So let's go ahead and just screw this on. 2, 3. 3 clicks. Now I just put this on. Hand tight there. This is your float valve lock. We're going to put this on the float valve lock. And we only need that much space. Alright, so I'm going to clip this into here. The water at the source, which is a 1/4 turn. The water is almost flowing. It is kind of overflowing there, so I'm going to have to adjust that. So let's go ahead and press the flush. And one more. Okay, it's even more below that. That's exactly where I want it there. Now we need to adjust to make sure that the water level is where we want it to be. Here's the tube. So we just want a little bit of water to go in here. Getting out there, and that's perfect. This top is too high. Turn the water off. To press this little button over here that allows it to go up and down, or go down, bring it back to lock it. That should be low enough. And now it sits perfectly. And that's it. Completely done.